So today's kind of one of those moment of truth kind of days. I'm going to put the fenders and the bumper and the hood back on today, and let's see how they fit. I've had these things off for the better part of a year and redid the whole front end and concentrated pretty hard, at least I tried to, on getting it lined up appropriately, getting it lined up right so that all these body panels would fit right. But I haven't actually put them on to find out. So today's that day. See how it goes. I'm gonna start with the fenders here. Underneath that there. There's some holes there that's got to line up with. There. Careful now. All right, there's all the fender bolts. So now I'm going to line this body line up with the top of the door line so that it doesn't look weird. Make sure we got a little fitment there. Okay, a couple down there, up underneath, one inside the door. Remember that too. Actually, I think that one I get you from underneath. From inside the wheel well. Easier without the wheels on, but I'll come back to that. Catch a little right there though. Well, it might be when I screw this one in the middle. It'll draw that in. Yeah, that'll have to maybe fiddle with the door alignment, but let's keep moving. And the driver's side is going to be the maroon one. Let's get the spider webs out of here first. There. Yeah. Like it always belonged there. Did not get that lined up. There. It's gotta be painted anyway. Yep. Misaligned. Those don't exactly line up. Right here. So these two pieces of metal, when I welded them up, they didn't quite, they're just a hair off. Poop. So it threads into the front end, the inside piece looks like, and just kind of passes through the hole. So I just need to drill out a hole here for that. Yep. That'll work. All right, let's try that again. It's still gonna catch. All right, well, I'll have to fiddle with fitment later. For now, as long as it isn't too egregious, I just want to get this stuff back on and get it out of here. How are we lined up down here? Oh man, we're darn close. Why don't you go in? There. Just need a little persuasion. Yeah. That's a lot easier. Probably should put this on before I put the headlights in. I thought it would have been easier or not. Yeah, you know what? No. Let's go with a bendy socket. Not a lot of bendy, just a little bendy. Okay, bumper's on. Well, that is pretty good. I mean, there's some fiddling with it here, like if we bring this up on fitment, but that is pretty darn close here. I'm happy. I'm happy. So looks like I'm missing one because, you know, of course I am. Why would I have all of them? That's just silly. Supposed to be. So there's a hole at the top.
Oh, yep.
The latch goes in that hole.
Got it.
Just got alignment. You can just hold it right here. Just keep it from falling down. There you go. It's a little off still, but it's going pretty much flush. It's not latching, so it could be the latch needs to come up a little bit.
I was wondering where those things even could move up. I was wondering where those could move up.
The lashes?
Yeah. Let's get one.
So if that works, what should happen is it should latch, but it'll still stick up.
And there we go.
There it is. So let's see how it's surviving. This should be flush with this. So, but that was the right problem. So we're good. And actually, I gotta take it back off anyway, because I gotta repair it. So I'm not actually worried about the fact that it's not lined up very good right now. Perfect. All right, well, it's outside, all put together. Well, mostly put together, I guess I should say. We do got some other work to do. Thought I'd get this together while we're doing it, you know, check all our fitment. So obviously we got some hood adjustment to do with the latch. The hood sits a little high. And we got good Pretty good panel alignment on this side, but it's a little rough on this side, which is interesting because actually, you can see on this side we're a little off a couple of spots. Up here it's a little bit widened and then tight and then wider again. So I'm not sure what's going on this side. It's interesting because actually that's the side that took the impact. This side was fine. It could just be slight variances in the, you know, the nose cone from 96 to 97 maybe. I actually don't know why it's so bad. And then got a little bit of a catch on this door as well as the other driver's side. So we got some work to do on fitment. So we got it all put together and got it outside. Drove out here under its own power, which was, you know, that was kind of nice. Actually looks, you know, like a car. Not an awesome car, but, you know, a complete car, which is nice. A little dirty. We got to bring it out here for a little bit. We're going to table the Firebird for a little while. We've got to do some work on the Trailblazer, my daughter's car. Transmission went out on it. So we're going to swap out a 4L60E in the garage on jack stands. So that'll be fun. I'm real happy with how this turned out so far, though. It's actually coming along. We might actually, you know, get this car done. That's crazy. Now, I got to get this Trailblazer in the garage. We got a storm coming and I'm going to get wet. See you later.